Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Love Bree, and I am finally back after being out for a couple weeks. I did have baby Kalea. She was born exactly at 40 weeks, so that was pretty fun. Yeah, so I'm back home and I'm going to do a couple recordings. I did have some hauls recorded that I never uploaded, but to be honest, I'm not going to upload those because now it's just too late. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a like baby welcoming haul and unboxing. So I'll have a couple videos out because I have so many packages to open and I don't want to have them all in one big video because it's just going to get too cluttered on the different stores. So the first one I have here is an unboxing from Devii Love. So I will have her information link down below. Definitely check her out. She has a YouTube video and a Instagram account, but she sent me some goodies just cuz I like commented on her post, but we've been talking, but like she like every time I'm like, oh my god, like those are so cute, she like freaking keeps saying like she'll send it to me. So she basically like spoiled me. I'm gonna send her some like handmade stuff because, you know, why not, but I just haven't been able to package it up. But here's her box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up first and then we'll dig in. I really don't know what's in here. She has a video out. I just been holding myself back from opening or watching it because I really want to just be shocked, I guess you could say. Okay. Ooh, there's so much confetti. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Okay, so I have my camera at a really low setting right now and I didn't want to try to move it right now. So I'm going to try to open this up. But here it is. Look at all of this stuff. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to try my best to get this all in frame. Okay, so here is the top part. She decorated it with all these like ephemera pieces and handmade like embellishments. Look at this piece right here. She took a piece of ephemera. I think these are her digitals because she does a bunch of digitals and makes her own little ephemera pieces. She stitched on this. I have a share of the paper. What is that called? The folded paper. I'm totally like not in camera mode right now, but you know. So yeah, there's that. It's super cute. Love it. And then here is the box and the inside. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys. Here is a journaling card. This is a Maggie Holmes journaling card. And then here is her information. So it's from Davena and it's Devii Love. And I'm going to do what I did last time with my Happy Mail, kind of just scatter the crinkle shred and the confetti. I love all the confetti she added in here because I could reuse it. Oh my god, she hooked it up, you guys. Okay, I'm just tossing it. Okay, so I'm going to pull everything out. Oh my gosh, you guys, she sent a lot of stuff. I don't know how she fit all this. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. She totally spoiled me. Okay, I cannot do this right now. This is just so much stuff. Alright, so here's the box. And okay. Alright, so I'm gonna sit down for this. So luckily my mom is here, so I'm gonna, well obviously she's here because this is her house, but you know, like she's not at work, so I had her just watch the baby really fast. Just because I really need to get all these videos recorded because my room looks like a freaking storage. I feel bad for Chris. Okay, so she did a lot of shopping during all of these like clearance like the Hobby Lobby clearance thing, and also like for during the Dollar Tree place when they had these fibers, and I saw her story, and I just told her how lucky she was to be able to go out and do all that, because I was pregnant and I wasn't trying to be out there. Even now I'm not trying to be out there because I have the baby. But yeah, she was like, I can send you one of each, and I was like, no, you don't have to, but here she goes, she did it. So she sent me this. This is just like a bag of Easter fillers that you can use for Happy Meal. You really can just, these are like oval shaped pieces, but you can really use these just as little acrylic pieces on your projects, to be honest. So I'm super excited for these. These are gonna be fun. You can add these to embellishment boxes too, so that's gonna be fun. And then I kind of want to just show you guys the easy things first. So I'm not gonna take this out of the packaging, but look at how she packaged this up. It looks so like professional. So she gave me one of each color. I didn't know they had all these colors. I have like, I think I have this one, and this one. Those are the only 3 I have, but because my mom got them for me. And then she sent me one of each color, and I'm glad she sent me this one, because at first I, like when my mom FaceTimed me, I was like, no, I don't really like care for that color, but to be honest, it's actually really cute and will go with a lot of my collections that I have recently purchased. So I'm super excited for that. But again, you guys, if your Dollar Tree has it, you guys can get these from there. And then she also went to Hobby Lobby and grabbed a bunch of these cute bunnies. And you guys know, or if you guys don't know, I had a girl. And so I thought this would be really cute just to have, I mean, also for Easter decorations. But, I mean, for a girl, like to have as a decoration on her like little stand, this is going to be cute. So she gifted me one of those, which is super sweet of her. Like for real, like all this stuff. She really didn't have to do any of this, but she did, and I'm so beyond grateful. But she also sent me these little Easter things. So I just asked her to send me a pack of the eggs because she told me to let her know. But she sent me the eggs, these ones, this, like these little button looking ones. She sent me these bunnies, so cute, and then these velvety ones. And I love how she packaged them. She has like really nice like bags. I don't know if she reuses it or what, but these bags are like high quality, super thick bags. But yeah, so she sent me some of those. And then she sent me some Easter stickers. I don't really do Easter, but she was like, she said, you know, you can use these for non-Easter stuff, and that is true because I do that all the time, because now that I stopped doing Easter things, I don't know why. I think it's just because like I don't really always have that much stuff for it. But she sent me the Happy Easter like sentiment, these little foam bunny, or not foam, but felt bunny stickers, and then these ones with the little cotton bottoms. they use like pom-poms, and I think these are all from Hobby Lobby. And I don't want to take anything out of the packaging, so I apologize. But she also sent me these. I actually hauled these, and I'm glad she got all the sizes, because my Hobby Lobby definitely didn't have all the sizes. But I shared these in my most recent haul. These are the blue and the pink sequins that were on clearance for like, yeah, 49 cents. And she sent me one of each. She is so sweet. She even sent me these ones. And yeah, these ones are also Hobby Lobby. So she sent me some black ones. She sent me green and red for like Christmas, this dark purple color. And then I really am excited that she sent me this, because I'm like, I think I have this in the storage. So I'm glad that she sent me some of those so I can have some for my stash here. And then some silver. So super excited. Got some more sequins. And then she also sent these 2 bags. And also, ooh, girl, I don't have any tissue paper confetti, so I'm so glad she sent me some. And she sent me some in the mint color. So this is exciting. I'm so glad I have some of these, because I don't have any of that. But But yeah, so she sent me something else in here. Ooh, she sent me some of these bows. So these bows she posted on her story, they were on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and I've never seen them before. She also had the roses. So you can see there's like pink bows, and there's some pink roses, and then there's some bows here that are silver with silver roses. Super cute. So she sent me a whole bag full of those, and I actually have these, and I have these in the storage. These are also from Hobby Lobby, and they're just so pretty. It's like this really pretty gold, and then it has like this, like, I don't know how to explain, but it's definitely not cheap. So it's really cute. I mean, it is inexpensive at Hobby Lobby, but it's not that crazy. Oh, and she sent me the keys from Frank Garcia Studio. I was able to actually get some of these, but I'm so glad I have some now. She's so sweet to send me these because these are really hard to get. She was literally my girl to like turn to when he was back in stock. She literally would hit me up right away once they're back in stock. So she's a real one because, yeah, I was finally able to get my hands on some of those. So thanks, girl, for that. And then last but not least, a couple of things that I was super excited for that she does. Oh, look it, she sent hella. Oh my god. She sent me, it looks like 4 packs of these really cute stickers. I think I asked for these too. These are like cute little bunny stickers. She sent me so many. There's like 4 packs in here. Like, that's a lot. So thank you for that. But like I said earlier, she does her own little mini ephemera, and she said she would send me one of each. And she has they're all crepe paper. So there's like the Flourish collection, there's the Carousel collection, Confetti, and Gather. I think this is the All Heart collection, but they're all in here. Oh my god, these are so cute. I love how tiny they are. They're like perfect for like Happy Mail and making embellishments and stuff, because a lot of the ephemera that you get in the collections, they're pretty huge, and I've stated that before. I want to open this so bad, but I really don't want to get it all like messed up right now because I have to do a lot of other videos. But if you guys are interested in seeing them, I will definitely post these on my story on Instagram. I also have like a post on my Instagram as well of everything. But yeah, this is one thing that she sent me I was super excited about. And then here's another thing she sent me. I love how she packages her stuff. So she used a 12 by 12 sheet like protector for scrapbooking, but she sent me vellum like printables. So this is just like her cover page for it, this Carousel printable. So pretty. And then look at all these like vellum pieces. So here there's like vellum cards, or like, yeah, these are like, I don't know, let's see what size, about 2 by 3 ish, but, and they're on vellum. Yeah, so that is that. So that is it for the Happy Mail that I received from Devii. Again, I'll have all her info linked down below, so definitely check her out. Again, I'm so thankful for her. I'm like literally like so thankful. I love this girl so much. She spoiled the crap out of me. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what she sent me. I cannot wait to just talk to her and tell her how excited I am about everything that she sent. But definitely stay tuned because I'm going to have a bunch of hauls coming through. I'm going to start recording them right now. So yeah, definitely check out her channel and her Instagram. So I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that you guys are watching this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.